Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and the correct Windows 11 build. This matters because some fixes need elevated permissions. Once done, open Task Manager using Ctrl+Shift+S or a taskbar right-click and immediately switch to the Processes view so you can see uptime-related entries. Make sure to expand more details. This reveals the Performance tab and background services. These first steps get you into the right UI fast, so you can locate where uptime is reported and what might reset it. Next, diagnose why uptime is incorrect. Go to the Performance tab and read the CPU uptime field because Task Manager pulls this value from kernel counters. Then cross-check with Event Viewer. Look for boot and shutdown events like 6005 or 6006 to confirm actual boot times. Make sure to review Windows Update and driver install timestamps and check whether sleep or hibernate were used. Those can make uptime appear longer or reset counters. This comparison shows whether the issue is To fix the issue, restart the Windows Management Instrumentation Service from Services. MSC with admin rights, this often refreshes the uptime reporting. If that fails, run sfc/scano and then dism with Restore Health from an elevated PowerShell to repair corrupted system files. These commands can correct kernel counters. Once done, reboot and recheck uptime. If problems persist, update device drivers and roll back recent updates. Troubleshooting tip: if uptime still shows wrong, perform a repair install. It preserves files while fixing deep system.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.